everyone. My name is Susie Welsh. I am a women's health nurse and the founder of Binto, for those of you who are new. We are going to talk about supplements today and how supplements can help with preventative medicine and how they can build up our immune system and help keep our bodies healthy and well to fight off various infections like viruses. It's been sort of a really overwhelming week for many of us here in the United States and across the globe. And I wanted to take a couple minutes to, first of all, say thank you to all of the frontline health workers, nurses like myself, EMTs, public health officials who are helping us navigate this pandemic. And I want to help all of you and still provide you with great content around our health, because I think we've learned that now more than ever before just how important our health is, because without our health we don't have anything, and prevention matters. So first thing that I want to talk about is vitamin D. We've been hearing a lot on the news how important it is to be getting outside and getting sunlight during this time, and that is so true. Many of us are in cities. It's harder to get outside and do social distancing, but if you can, really try to get outside at least 30 minutes a day. We really need that sunlight hitting our skin, and that's how we get vitamin D naturally. So if we can't be outside, if we're stuck inside like I am here, there are things you can do, and vitamin D supplementation is a great way to get vitamin D. If you are going to supplement, what you want to look for is vitamin D in its vitamin D3 form. That is the most effective form of vitamin D for actually raising levels in humans. You also want to be taking vitamin D3 with a calcium and with a K2 in many cases. But essentially you just want to make sure that you have that vitamin D3. Everyone here at Binto gets vitamin D3 automatically in your survey that you take. It comes in all of our multis, all of our prenatals, postnatals, in our menopause support plans, and we also have additional vitamin D3 capsules for those who are actually testing low. And I think a lot of us are probably going to come out of this with lower vitamin D3 levels, especially as we're getting into the warmer months when we typically be outside and doing a lot more socializing. The next thing you want to look for, and this one you probably might not have thought about or know as much about, and that is a symbiotic. So a symbiotic is simply a capsule or supplement that's going to contain both probiotic strains alongside prebiotic fiber. So probiotics are usually live bacteria strains. They're found naturally in our home microbiome, and we need them in order to keep our gut healthy. Our gut is the epicenter for everything else in our whole body. It's where we metabolize our hormones. It's where we digest our food. It's where over 90% of the serotonin in our body is made, not here in our brains. So especially during the time of social distancing, during a time when we're not getting the produce we need, probiotics are found naturally in like kefirs, yogurts, fermented foods, and then prebiotics are the fiber, the plant-based fiber that probiotics need to feed off of. So they're basically the food for probiotics. And that's why we combine them together here at Binto to make a symbiotic. So if you were having lack of access to fresh produce during this crisis, make sure you're getting a symbiotic, because it's going to be getting you the support you need for your microbiome. And keeping not just your gut healthy, but your hormones healthy, and it's keeping you mentally healthy, again with that serotonin reference. So this is an amazing one for your immune system that people might not be talking about right now. That brings me to the next one, which you might not hear about a lot, and that is an omega-3 fatty acid. So omega-3s are naturally found in things like fish, they're found in flaxseed, and it's really, really important, sort of an anti-inflammatory that we need to keep our immune system healthy. So our immune system helps fight inflammation or infection. So make sure you're getting an omega-3. Again, this goes back to the produce issue. You might be having a really hard time accessing these types of foods. So if you're perusing, shopping online, hopefully you're doing that here at Binto, where we get you everything you need in one daily packet, rather than having to go out and search on an online store and sort of pick for yourself what you need. But if you are doing that, make sure you're looking for an omega-3 fish oil, and you can also find vegan or vegetarian forms, like we use an algae form here at Binto. Other minerals that you might hear about are zinc and selenium. Those are great ones for immunity, and you want to make sure that you're keeping up with your magnesium intake. So pretty much everyone here at Binto also gets magnesium. We do have zinc if you'd like to ever add that into your packets if you don't see it. And our Glow Down product is another great way to get additional minerals that you need and your magnesium every day. Now it's more important than ever, and I know I keep saying this, but it really is so important to be supplementing right now, and with the right types of vitamins. All of our supplements are sourced from around the world. We're lucky to have a really great solid supply chain, where we have not yet been impacted by this. Our labs are here in the United States. They are FDA approved facilities. The supplement industry is not FDA regulated in terms of what you can put in supplements or not, so that's pretty scary. So make sure you're choosing a company like ours where you know they're in an FDA approved facility. We are GMP certified, which stands for Good Manufacturing Practice Certified, and we take your health very seriously, and very personally. So again, make sure you are supplementing, keep up with your routine. If you ever have questions, feel free to reach out to us at any time over on mybinto.com, and we have our nurse support. They're live Mondays through Fridays. We are not live on the weekends, but you can also always reach us at support@mybinto.com.